Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth chapter of our module Market Instruments. इससे पहले हमने बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट, मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स, व्हाट इज एन इंडेक्स एंड व्हाट इज इट्स यूज के बारे में सीखा था. Now we will be learning about what all market instruments are available for trading in Indian stock market by retail traders. Some of the widely used market instruments available for trading in Indian stock market by retail traders are equity cash, derivatives like options, futures, exchange traded funds. Equity cash, the normal shares of a company that are available for trading for a day or investing forever. All long-term investors make their holdings or purchase shares in equity cash segment. Almost all the listed companies on exchange are available for trading in cash segment. Short selling is generally not allowed, but if allowed, it is allowed only for a day in cash segment. Equity share need to be bought by paying full margin in cash, but can be used for pledging. Derivatives. Derivatives are a type of contract that derive its value from an underlying asset, maybe an index or equity. Derivatives were created so that investors can use them for hedging their positions. But now, derivatives are the most widely used market instruments in the world. In general, there are two types of derivative contracts available, options and futures, for both equity cash and index. Futures. Futures are a derivative contract that derive its value from an underlying instrument, where a buyer of a future contract assures the seller that he will buy a particular amount of quantities at a specific rate on specific date, and the seller is obliged to sell the same quantity at the same rate on the same date to the buyer, irrespective of the change in price. Options. Options are a type of derivative contract that derive its value from an underlying future of a particular instrument. Options can be of two types, call options and put options. Call option contract buyer pays a premium to a call option contract seller as an insurance that he will buy the particular quantity of an underlying asset on a specific rate on specific date, whereas the put option contract buyer pays a premium to the contract option seller as an insurance that he will sell the particular quantity of that underlying asset on specific date at a specific rate. Both futures and option contracts can be used for buying and short selling and can be kept till the last date of the contract. Trading in derivative contracts is available for equity as well as index. Equity futures and options. Equity futures and options are available for trading in India with the contract date of the last Thursday of every month. If there is a holiday on Thursday, the last Wednesday is the contract date. There are in total 3 months of contracts available for trading at any given point of time: current month, next month and far month. Index futures and options. Currently, Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures, Fin Nifty futures are available for trading with an expiry date of last Thursday of the current month, and next to next. Whereas index call and put options are available for trading in weekly expiries too, expiring every Thursday. Future contracts can be traded with less margins as compared to equity cash segment, but they are cash settled every day. That is, if the price of the future contract increases, the broker pays you an extra amount as FAO settlement, and if the price of the contract decreases on a specific date, you have to pay an extra amount to the broker. You can buy, sell or hold derivative contracts anytime on or before the expiry dates. ETFs, exchange traded funds, are a type of mutual fund that tracks various indexes like Nifty Bees track Nifty index, Bank Bees track Bank Nifty, Gold Bees track gold prices and many more. Just like equity cash segment, ETFs are bought by paying full margin to the brokers but can be used as pledging. Buying ETFs is like buying shares of all the companies that form the index. ETFs diversifies your investments, thus lowering down your risks. So guys, इसी के साथ complete हुआ अपना first module, basics of stock market. Soon I will be coming with more detailed modules like understanding technicals, derivatives, fundamentals, learning and how to trade options. So stay tuned. We'll be back soon. और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. Thank you.